So if you have a Chevelle and your seats look like this, I'm going to show you how to transform them in under 1 hour.
All right, but before I show you how easy this install is, let me take you back to where this actually started. Because a lot of people think seat covers are just something you throw on and hope it fits. And honestly, most of them look terrible for that exact reason. I remember the first time I worked on an old Chevelle like this, the customer told me he already bought a few different sets online, and every single one of them looked cheap and didn't fit right. And when I looked at the seat, I understood why. These older cars aren't perfect. The foam breaks down, the shape shifts over time, and no two seats are exactly the same anymore. So if you're just guessing on a pattern, it's never going to fit right. That's when I realized if you want something to actually fit perfect, you can't guess. You have to capture the exact shape of the seat. That's what this process is doing right here. Every curve, every dip, every detail, this is mapping out the exact structure of this seat, so the covers are made specifically for it. And it's crazy because when I first started upholstery, I used to do everything by hand, tracing, cutting, adjusting over and over, trying to get it right. Now there's no guessing. This is the reason when our covers go on, they don't look like seat covers. They look like the seat was made that way from the start. So when I say I'm about to show you how to install this in 1 minute, just know the hard part already happened right here. Now let's get into the install. Now this part right here, this is what everybody thinks is the hard part. But honestly, the install is the easy part once the pattern is right. And this actually reminds me of a customer I had. He wasn't one of those car show guys, not chasing trophies or nothing like that. He just wanted to ride clean. He told me straight up, "Man, I just like pulling up to the meets, grabbing something to eat, talking to people. I just want my car to look right." Regular dude. Every Tuesday he's at the same local burger spot, same group of guys, just enjoying his car. But his interior wasn't where he wanted it to be, so he started going around to upholstery shops, getting quotes, and everywhere he went, they were telling him the same thing, $4,000, $5,000, just to redo the seats. And for him, it wasn't even about the money like that. It was more like, "Man, I'm not building a show car. I just want to enjoy driving it." That's where we came in, and this is exactly why I do what I do. Because not everybody is trying to spend $5,000, $6,000 redoing an interior. But that doesn't mean they don't care about how their car looks. So when I showed him this option, something that's actually made to fit his exact seat, installs clean, looks right without all that extra cost, it just made sense to him. And now look at this part right here. Everything is lining up, fitting tight, no wrinkles, no loose areas. This is what separates it. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about saving money. It's about still getting that feeling when you open your door. That feeling like, yeah, this is clean. And I remember when he got his car back, same thing. He opened the door, sat down, looked around for a second, and he just smiled. Didn't say much, just nodded his head like, "Yeah, this is exactly what I needed." And that's the difference. He wasn't trying to impress judges. He just wanted to feel good driving his car again. And that's what this does. Because once you get this part right, once everything is pulled tight, fitted correctly, and installed the way it's supposed to be, it stops looking like something you added on. It starts looking like it belongs there. And that's why I take my time with installs like this. Every pull matters. Every tuck matters. Every adjustment matters. Because if you rush it, it's going to show. But when it's done right, you don't even think about it. It just feels natural. And that's really the goal. Not just something that looks good for pictures, but something that feels right every time you get in. So by the time this is fully done, you're not going to be looking at this like seat covers. You're going to be looking at it like a full interior upgrade. And more importantly, something you can actually enjoy every single time you drive. I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even Starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install, and I'll show you how to do the rear seats. So of course you remove this out of the vehicle, you take off the bottom first. And the bottom, it's like a little hook method. So you have to push it back. So it's all the way to the front. So you push it back and then it comes up. So you push down and push it back, lift it up. The lean back will have the seat belts be star bolts on both sides. Take those star bolts off and then you lift it up. Now the back seat. This is where it all comes together. Because the front always gets the attention, but the rear is what completes the whole look. And that same customer actually told me something after everything was done. He said I didn't even realize how much the back seat mattered until I saw it finished. Because when you step back and look at the whole interior, that back seat is what ties everything in. That's what makes it feel complete. And you'll notice right here, it's the same thing as the front. Everything's fitting tight, lining up right, no wrinkles, no loose areas. Because it all has to match. You can't have the front looking perfect and the back looking off. Once everything flows together like this, that's when it stops looking like a small upgrade and starts looking like the whole interior was redone. And that's really the goal. Not over the top, not trying too hard. Just clean all the way through. All right, now it's time for the best part. Let's get into these before and after clips so you can really see the difference. All right, and just like that, completely transformed. Now, if you look over on the left side of the screen, you'll see our full seat cover install playlist. Go ahead and click that. You might already find your exact vehicle or something very similar. And on the right side, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be teaching you everything: seat covers, full upholstery, headliners, lighting, step by step, so you don't have to spend thousands at a shop. Go ahead and tap in.